What if I told you that a single wrong turn in a quiet European city helped ignite a war that killed over 16 million people? Not a nuclear bomb, not a world leader's speech, just a driver turning into the wrong street. It was June 28, 1914. The heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, was visiting Sarajevo. Tensions were already high in the Balkans. Serbian nationalists wanted independence from Austria-Hungary. That morning, a bomb was thrown at the Archduke's car. It missed. Most people would cancel the visit. But Franz Ferdinand didn't. That decision would change history. Later that day, the Archduke decided to visit wounded officers in the hospital. His driver was told to change the route, but no one informed him properly. As the motorcade drove through the city, the driver made a wrong turn into a narrow street. And standing there, by pure coincidence, was a 19-year-old nationalist named Gavrilo Princip. He couldn't believe his luck. The car stalled. Princip stepped forward. 2 shots. Within minutes, the Archduke and his wife were dead. That assassination gave Austria-Hungary the excuse it needed to attack Serbia. But Russia mobilized to defend Serbia. Germany backed Austria-Hungary. France backed Russia. Britain backed France. And within weeks, Europe exploded into World War I. What followed was trench warfare, poison gas, machine guns, and one of the deadliest conflicts humanity had ever seen. Of course, the war wasn't caused by just one mistake. Europe was already a powder keg of alliances, nationalism, and military buildup. But sometimes, history doesn't begin with a grand plan. Sometimes, it begins with a wrong turn. And the world is never the same again.